welcome back to the JavaScript series. My name is Shal Kumar, and in today's class we are discuss about something new. Which one is that? If you ask me, there is nothing but a favorite topic: control statement, isn't it? Now, question is control statement. What is the control statement and types of the control statement? But here we can understand the practical things, so we are avoid theory like that, isn't it? Because every college teach only a theory part, isn't it? So here I'm going to tell control statement and their types. You can see this is the definition of control statement. For the time being, I am avoid this because you know all of these things in during the sessions. Okay, so what is the type of control statement? So there are two types. One what we call as the conditional statement, in other what we call as the iterative statement, what we call as also a loop statement, isn't it? Now question is, under the conditional statement we have a if statement, we have a if else statement, we have a if else if statement, isn't it? And switch statement is also there, term or operator is also there, isn't it? And now you are talking about iterative statement. There is nothing but a loop statement. So we have a for loop, while loop, or do while loop, and so there are so much different things we can discuss during the session. So my friend, if you are a beginner, trying to learn a programming, this one is the most important class that you will be ever be attending, isn't it? So without wasting much time, let's try to understand something new. What is that, my friend? Let's begin to understanding the conditional statement. If I am going to my editor, you can see, sorry for the time being, I'm just deleted. Wait, here I am see clear. Okay, avoid this for the timing. You can see my screen. There is a one blend.js file is created. So let us assume here I am write this a letter number is equal to 20 something like this, isn't it? So what I want to do is I want to check if in case if here suggestion is coming, so I am not pressing tab, instead of I am writing this. So here you can see that you will this is the if statement. You will have a if statement, you will have a bracket, you will have a flower bracket, isn't it? Now what you will be writing inside this bracket, my friend? There is nothing but conditions. Okay, if the condition is a valid or true, only when this would execute. If the condition is invalid or false, then whatever is inside this bracket would not execute, isn't it? Okay, let's try to something writing my code. So here you can say this something number. If in case the number is greater than equal to something like 18. Okay, so I'm going to my flower bracket and pressing the enter. There is some session, so I'm pressing the tab. So here you can see that there is eligible for bot, so you can type anything whatever you want, don't worry about it. I'm just writing something like this. I hope you are able to understand, my friend. Now tell me, what is the number of 20, isn't it? Okay, now come here. If in case check if number is greater than or equal to 18. Okay, so number is a 20. It is greater than or equal to 18. Yes, yes means true. Then I will get welcome to the job here, like eligible for a vote. Okay, so I'm just writing this like whatever. For first of all, we are save it because sometimes it's not working. So I am okay for the time being. I am just avoid else part. Like what is my file name, like flan.js. Wow, wow. Here you can sorry. Here you can see it. See that eligible for what is a writing, isn't it? Okay, but now okay, you are understand all of these things, how I am going to write this. All right, let's proceed to understanding if else statement in JavaScript, isn't it? Now here uh, wait here I'm just writing something like okay, else part. uh, okay, so I would like to guys to understand is I will just go and probably I will just create else part. So here something like there are some suggestions, so I'm just pressing tab instead of writing some code, because you know I'm a very lazy person, isn't it? So I don't want to write a code. So here you can say this is a else part, isn't it? Means if this is not execute, if this block are false, then this would execute, isn't it? That means of that. So here is some suggestion if statement, because my editor is uh, under assuming like there is a else if statement, isn't it? So as a beginner, please avoid this, because you are using AI editors, because you are a very smart person, isn't it? We are not writing a manual code in a now 2025 era. Yeah, era you can say. Okay, so my friend, here you can see also else part. Okay, let's try to understand if else what, like if else part. If else if part. Okay, sorry for that. I'm just copy this, Control C and back button created, and here I'm just pressing tab and paste it like this. Okay, yeah. Now let us assume number is not less than here you can see, wow, damn this, number is not less than 18, in which case I will come to else part. Now in which I am equal to else but there is a else if part, isn't it? Means if there is not execute, then else if part execute, isn't it? So I leave a space. I will again say if what is the condition, my friend, that here you can see that number is less than 18, so you will check here, isn't it? So you understand this part execute, if there is not execute, then this part execute. If there is not execute, then I will add this else part. Okay, something like console, why my editor is not showing something, why? Don't worry about that. Okay, here is some suggestion, invalid output, so I'm just save it. Okay, let us assume here I am just writing something 16. So here is a number, if 16 is greater than 18, then print this. if 16 is a less than 18, then print this. If there is a not here, then my control comes to this part and execute this, isn't it? So let's try to understand. I'm just clear this my terminal, and I will just I have to execute like something writing node plan dot js. Bro, don't worry about that. Here you can also tell, hey, you can execute this, but sometimes these are not understand. But you are a smart person, isn't it? So don't every time. Okay, why is not here? 16 is a greater than 18. Elizabeth, no, bro. Why? First, I am going to save it, isn't it? So clear my screen, and I will just go here and press this. Okay, here you can see there is a right answer because 16 is a less than 18, isn't it, my friend? I hope you are able to understand what I'm trying to explain you. Okay, so there is a if statement, if else statement. A switch statement is also there. If you want uh, to execute, you can try this by own. Here you can see there are so many things. I am just explaining you. I am just trying to explain you core part, isn't it? And you have to know how to rate this, because no one can tell you. No one can tell to hey, go here and go there. It's not like that. You can try it by own. Okay. So here you can say there are different language, but as a beginner you have to try it by you can choose one language. So don't choose C++ nowadays. You can choose Java, and Python is, as you know, that they are trending. And if you want to go with a developer front-end role, simply go with a JavaScript. Don't worry about it. JavaScript is also a very strong dynamic language. So here you can see that uh, you tried by own. Here I am just adding this, and if you want this here, you can see there is a switch statement here. Okay, so there is a syntax of the switch statement. Okay, I hope you are a smart person. Okay, there is a JavaScript series. But my friend, as you know that there are main method. Okay, this is a convention, this is a library, and I am familiar with Java. So here you can say this is the signature in in Java. This is called a signature. You can say this is a main method. This is a print statement. So don't be stuck in a one language. If you want as a beginner, you have to focus on your own one language. But if you want to come to by passion in technology field, then you go with another language also, isn't it? Okay. First of all, I'm just trying to explain you because here you can see that there is a conditions. Okay, if a result if true, then this execute, otherwise this execute, isn't it? So here you can see that this is my code. There is a 18 number is stored in a x number of variable. So here you can see that let suppose that result is a variable and x is greater than 0. This is a condition, my friend. Okay, this is this is nothing but our syntax of the ternary expression, isn't it? Okay, this means that this is a condition. Okay, or this condition is true, then execute, otherwise this execute. Okay, I hope you are able to understand. And this is also, you know, that this is a console.log and result. Okay, my friend. This was all about from my side, my friend. Okay, so bye bye.